have come to the final and crucial problem, that is midpoint problem. The midpoint of a line AB is 35 mm above and 45 mm in front. Okay. The top view and front view is given. Top view is 80 and front view is 70 mm. The another end is 10 mm in front of you. Okay. They have given three data, that is the midpoint position, front view, top view, and end A position. Okay, so these are all the data they have given. First, draw the XY line and fix the M and M dash, locus of M and M dash. Okay, M dash, that is 35 mm above and 45 mm in front. So I have fixed M and M dash and also drawn a locus of M and M dash. Okay, and then one more point position is given. The end A is 10 mm in front of VP. So they have given the end A position. So I have drawn the locus for the given dimension. Okay. Now we know the top view and front view. Okay, we know the top view comes here. Okay, below the XY line. So take the top view. Top view is how much? 80 mm. Okay, top view is 80 mm, and we know the top view passes through the midpoint. Okay, so in your compass, take 40 mm and M as the center. Make a arc on the locus of A line and opposite side. Okay, so for 40 mm, make arc on locus of A. Also draw arc on the opposite side. Now connect this point. This is the one intersection we have got. So connect this point through M to the opposite arc. Okay, like this. So now we have got the top view. Now we know the end projector, right? So the front view and top view lies in this line. Now take the front view. Front view is 70 mm. Front view is 70 mm. The front view passes through the midpoint, right? So in your compass, take 35 mm, that is half of the front view. Okay, so since we are going to make an arc from the midpoint, take half of the distance both in front view and top view. Okay, so 35 mm in your compass, make an arc on the end projectors like this. Okay, so now we have got the locus of A dash and B dash. Now we can join these two arcs. This is the front view. Now we need to get the true length. That's what they have asked in the question, right? So in previous problem, what we will do is we will take A dash as the radius. Sorry, A dash as the center. This whole front view as the radius. Okay. Here in the midpoint problem, we need to take M dash as the center and M as the center. So these two are the center. In previous problems, we will take this A dash and A as the center. But here they have given the locus of M. So you need to take this M dash and M as the radius. Okay, and take this distance. Okay, half of the front view and half of the top view as the radius. Okay, like this. Make a arc up to the locus of M and then draw a vertical line to the opposite sides locus. Okay, so now you have got a point here and you already have midpoint. Okay, whatever the true length, front view or top view should pass us through the midpoint. So from this intersection through midpoint, you have to connect or draw a line up to the locus of A. Similarly, draw a arc from the top view like this and draw up to the locus of M and draw a vertical line up to the locus of B dash. Now we have got an intersection by drawing a vertical line up to the locus of B dash. This is the intersection. From this point, connect M dash up to the locus of A like this. So this is the true length in front view. Now the whole problem is solved. So this is the procedure to solve front view and top view. So instead of front view and top view, they may also give the true length and its inclination. So that's another case. So totally there are 2 or 3 cases are there in the midpoint problem. So this is somewhat complicated than giving the true length and its inclination. Okay. So instead of the top view and front view, they will give the true length and its inclination. Phi and theta. So true length may be 80 mm and this theta and phi will be given. So from the midpoint, you have to draw the line for half of the distance. If the true length is 80 mm, you need to draw 40 mm line to the left hand side or to the bottom of locus of M and above the locus of M with respect to the angle. Similarly, the front view also have to be drawn. So this is how we have to solve the midpoint problem. Thank you.